Hey, welcome back, guys. So my low seat came in today, so excited to get this on the bike. The stock seat, it's fine in terms of comfort and all that, but it is a little bit tall for me. I am 5'10". I have a 30-inch inseam, and this seat, while it's okay, I would like to get my feet a little bit further down into onto the ground. So you'll notice when I get on this, if I got 2 feet down, I'm on my tippy toes, right? I don't have my boots on or anything like that, but just in these shoes, I'm going to be on the tippy toes. So usually when I stop, I'm on, I'm on 1 foot, and I'm still on my toes or the balls of my feet. So this new low seat drops me down about 20 millimeters, which is about 3/4 of an inch. And let me show you the difference. All right, here's the low seat installed. Let's see how this works. Yeah, I could already tell that I'm a little bit more on the balls of my feet. It did lower me a little bit. Definitely a lot more comfortable. I mean, it's not ideal. I would like to have at least the full balls of my feet on the ground, but these are also my just regular tennis shoes. So there it is, 5'10", 30-inch inseam with a low seat.
So here they are side by side, right? And you'll notice the OEM one that came with the bike is the furthest one out. And then here is the new low run. And honestly, when I sat on both again, I swapped them out. The low seat is definitely way more comfortable than the OEM seat that comes with the bike. First off, it's a lot softer. This is a lot harder. This is a little bit more defined right here, a little bit more narrow. And it just has one of these, where the seat, you could see the seat where it's bucketed for your ass. And it just kind of sits you a little bit further back, so you're not sliding forward. And that's what I kind of felt. So I think it's a great purchase, especially for me, being 5'10", on a tall bike. The cool thing is that I ordered a Tapezzeria seat from Italy, or a seat cover, and that's coming. And when that comes, I'm going to have my seat guy replace it, and I'll show you what it looks like. Can't wait for that. I think it's gonna set the bike off pretty substantially. So again, thanks for tuning in, guys.